Hey guys, today I thought I would do an unboxing video. Now let me just give you a quick backstory as to why I'm doing this. Well, I haven't really done an unboxing video before, so that's the backstory complete. So this is what I'll be unboxing today. It looks like a computer game of sorts. Brand new, of course. Just got it like a few hours ago. So I thought I would just show it off to you. It's a PS3. That's like a console. It's a PlayStation Network. It tells you the console there. It says PlayStation, and it's a Grand Theft Auto number 5. This is the 5th one, and there's just some pictures. There's also a back to this box. And that's what the back looks like for those that are wondering. So yeah, let's just go straight into the unboxing and see where we go from there. So just opening it now, and there we have it. That is the unboxing complete. Not really sure what else there is to talk about. That's the whole video really. Didn't really plan this video ahead of schedule. That's a bit of an issue. I guess we can talk about the contents inside. So there's a CD-ROM. That's like to play the video, you have to put the CD-ROM inside the console and it plays the video, I believe. Let's see if we can unbox the CD out of the CD case. Let's just give that a go. There we go. So it detaches, and it's very shiny on the other side, and that's about it really with the CD. So we can discard the CD. And this is what the box looks like without the CD inside. It's like empty CD slot here. And on the left hand side, we can also see there's stuff in here. See what we have. Okay, so again, this is what the box looks like without anything inside. It is empty. It is void of anything inside it. Now, I've taken everything out. So that's that. We can put this aside now because there's nothing left to unbox here. It's just the box. So as mentioned, these were the things that were inside the box as well. So we'll just go through this thing first. This appears to be a Grand Theft Auto 5 book. We'll just see what's inside here. There's some stuff to read. Bit more stuff. This has a picture of a controller. So it's good they include pictures in this because a lot of people, you know, particularly like myself, don't like to read that much. So we have the pictures to help us understand what this is. Yeah, some more stuff here. It's just there's a lot of words. So if you like reading, this is probably the booklet for you. So that's that. We can discard that now. Also within the box we have this. It's a leaflet. Fly the atomic blimp. Whatever that means. So that's in there as well. And the very final thing that was inside the box was this. So we just need to open this up to find out what it could possibly be. I'm not entirely sure myself, so we're just opening it up. It's quite big. That is whatever it is. Let's see. So oh, it looks like a map. We've got a map in here as well. This is of Blaine County. It's a Blaine County map. Now I've not actually been here before, but it's nice of the box to provide this map to me if I decide to visit, which is very, very nice. Oh, it's got a little compass. It's got a little compass as well. It's nice. North. It's pointing north. So that's very nice. Oh, it's got another map on the back as well. This box is full of surprises. absolutely full of stuff. I wouldn't have expected all of this to be in the box, to be honest. So this is like, oh, it's a Los Santos. It's a Los Santos map. It's not a Blaine County map. It's a Los Santos map. So I got that wrong. Need to work on my map reading skills. But yeah, this is very nice and colourful. It's got green, it's got blues, it's got all kinds of colours. It's what you want in a map, really. So yeah, that was the map. And that completes the unboxing video. Oh wait, actually it was probably completed earlier on in the video, actually, as soon as I just open up the box. But I thought I would just add a bit more padding in the video, a bit more content. But yeah, I could have literally just ended the video as soon as I opened up the box. I'm not actually really sure how people manage to do these unboxing videos and have so much content, because I'm struggling. I'm really struggling for like content. And stuff. So yeah, that's the whole video. That's the unboxing. If there is another box out there that you would like to see me unbox for you, then please don't hesitate to let me know, and I will see what I can do to unbox that for you on a video. So I'll see you on the next video, and I'm just going to actually rebox this box just to be a little different, because a lot of the videos you see, you know, they just unbox and they don't rebox it. So, you know, let's be tidy. Let's put everything back to how it was. Putting the CD back. I mean, you've already seen this, to be honest. So, you know, you can do other things. Whatever you want to do. If you want to put the kettle on, make some tea, while I just, you know, assemble this again. So just do what you normally enjoy doing, really, while I'm doing this. So it won't take long. Just enjoy. If you want to watch, you can watch it. I'm not gonna argue, you know. But again, it is literally just me, just you know, putting stuff back in. So not a whole lot of content, really. But it's up to you if you want to. You know, some people may enjoy that. Some people may enjoy watching me put stuff back in the box. Yeah, if you enjoy that, you know, stick around. You know? But for others, they may find this boring. They may not enjoy me putting stuff in a box. I mean, I know if I was in your shoes and I was watching someone put stuff in a box, I would be, you know, I wouldn't be that entertained. You know, it depends. It depends on the box. It depends on how quickly they're putting it in the box. So there is that aspect. But I'm just rambling, so I'm just going to put this in the box, and you do what you do. You do what you do. So, oh, yes, that was here. So just putting this back in. Yeah. That was quite easy. Oh dear, how am I going to do this? Tricky, this one. Should have remembered how I unboxed it, and then how did I do it? This could take a while. You know what? I think I'm actually just going to leave it out, because I think it looks better unboxed than in the box. And we'll just leave that like that, and we can close that as well. So it's pretty much boxed to how it was when it was unboxed. This is pretty much what it looks like. So yeah, that's everything, really. If you did go away actually to put the kettle on, make yourself a cup of tea or a coffee, then you know, I can hang around if you want. But then you wouldn't know, because you might still actually be away. So yeah, I don't know if I should wait around. Should I wait around? No, I'm sure you'll understand. Oh, there is actually a replay button on this video, so if you've missed anything from this content, then you can actually rewind it, and you can find out what parts you missed when you went out to put the kettle on. So there is that aspect. So yeah, the video will end now. Run out of content for this video. So yeah, as I said, please let me know if you want me to unbox anything, and I will be sure to do many more unboxing videos, unless I can't find any other boxes to unbox. So yeah, so I'll see you on the next video, and stay tuned. Oh, goodbye. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention actually, on this box in particular, something really important. We got a helicopter, man wearing gas mask. We have a bike, man on bike. We have a woman with a phone. We have a man here with a gun. 18, it says 18. It must be how old this dog is. 18 years old. The dog has open mouth and possibly barking, possibly. And there's a human here with a gun, as you do, and we have an R, and we have a car. So that is everything you could possibly know about this box.